Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Close-cutting T-blade, can be zero-gapped. Replacement for Andis model D-8 trimmers. T-blade trimmers, like the Andis T-Outliner, are favored by barbers for their ability to cut crisp outlines and designs. The GTX T-Outliner deep tooth blade allows longer hair to feed through the blade faster and can be used for light fading. Trimmers used with attachment combs are perfect for beard maintenance. Andis Company has been crafting professional-grade tools since 1922. Close-cutting trimmers are a must-have for detail work on hair, beards and mustaches. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Fits perfectly and super sharp, ready to shred hair.